important for young entrepreneurs like you to set up a venture. But remember, don't compromise on anything. This is the age when you'll have to prove everything, and money is not the be all and end all in life. I think that has been my mantra, and I think you all should follow that, and you will never go wrong. My best wishes.
आम्ही गोंयान फर्स्ट आउटलेट ओपन केल्ली आहा ती जेम्स साडी. इट्स अ ऑस्ट्रेलियन ब्रँड आमचो आहा. तो पार्टिशन्स, फॉल सिलींग आनी क्लॅडिंग आयटम आमी डील करतले. हेची आमी गोंयान फ्रँचायजी घेतलेली आहा. आनी आमचो जो मेन ब्रांच आहा पळय तो दिल्लीच्यान आहा आनी थंयच्यान आमी ऑपरेट करता. प्लस गोंयान आमची एक फर्स्ट फ्रँचायजी आहा. तो दुसरो आयटम आहा आमचे कडेन कॉर्नवूड. कॉर्नवूड इज द इंडोनेशियन प्रोडक्ट. तो यूज करतले आमी क्लॅडिंगाक, फॉल सिलिंगाक. डेकोरेटीव पॅनल्स आहा ते. प्लस डेकिंग मटेरियल आसतलें आमचे कडेन. ते तुमकां वुडन फिनिशूय दिवंक मेळटा, प्लस पेंटिंगूय करपाक मेळटलें आमकां. आनी आमचें वर्कशॉप आल्दोना आसा. प्लस आमी म्हापसा आमचे आउटलेट आहा एक. सो आमी दोनूय कडल्यान ऑपरेट करता. थंय आमचे मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स आसतले जे हॉटेल्स प्रोजेक्ट्स, हॉस्पिटल्स प्रोजेक्ट्स हाचेर आमी चड फोकस केल्लो आहा. प्लस इंडिविज्युअल क्लायंटूय आसतले आमचे.
ओके, सगळें इम्पोर्ट करतात तुमी?
हय, हो प्रोडक्ट आमी दिल्लीच्यान इम्पोर्ट करता. प्लस फिलिपायन्सांच्यान आमकां कंटेनर येता.
As per the market requirement, we have brought this product to Goa. Both the products, the first one is GM Sadi, which is an Australian brand which manufactures best quality of fiber cement board in the world, which comes in size of 3.5 mm till 12 mm. So we will be using this for the external cladding, flooring, ceilings, and many other elements for the interiors as well as exterior. And the Conwood is an Indonesian brand which manufacture wood replacement products, which is which can be used for the ceilings, floorings, swimming pool deckings, wooden ceilings. It's a complete wood replacement solution. This is actually a fiber cement, but when it's polished, you can't distinguish between the real wood and this material. And this comes with the advantage of anti-termite, heat resistant, water resistant, and it has all the possible features which wood cannot produce in Goa. So this is the product range we have. Builders and individual houses.